to do.
I know.
Tell me when you're ready.
You got this from Titi Lucy.
What?
You got this from Titi Lucy.
Mine?
Yeah.
I think he mine.
Mine.
No, mine.
Let me see. Does it say your name anywhere up there? Check. See it over here anywhere?
That one?
Right there. O.
What?
You don't see it? Okay. Sit down, Papa.
I think you mine. Not yours.
Watch out, wait.
Ha! You mine. You mine.
Watch out, wait. Oh.
Ah, what color is Bubba?
I want it.
That makes it pretty. Popcorn! More popcorn! That's yummy. What's that?
Frozen. Can I open it?
Yeah, open the card first.
Oh yeah. Well, let's see the card first. No.
Have Daddy read it for you.
Let me read it for you.
What?
It says, look, what is that? Like a monster, right? Wishing your silly self a happy little 4th birthday. Happy birthday, Octavio. Wish we could be there, or you here, to spend it with you. Love you very, very much. Titi Lucy, Theo Bill, and our puppies and kitty. Look at his eyes, look.
Oh, it's your food.
Pretty.
What's that?
A big
Whoa!
shark airplane.
Shark airplane? Wow! What do you say to Titi Lucy? In the camera,
Thank you.
Look in the camera.
Thank you, and I love you. I think there's more.
No, I put all the paper back.
Wow.